Hey everyone, today's focus is going to be on our new inch 500 inch gear sets. Now we're going to be offering these for all of our V-band blower drive pumps, as well as some of our belt driven pumps. We'll have these in different configurations for different style engines, mostly for small block use in general. So the evolution of the tri-lobe Moroso oil pump started out with a 1/200 inch gear. We then jumped to the big boy gear, the 1/800, which is commonly found on a Hemi, or like I said before, a large cubic inch nitrous application, something of that nature. Now with the 1/500 gear set, we've had a lot of customers call in and want a specific oil pressure range. Well, in order to achieve that at a 50% drive rate with a V-band style drive, we needed to have the right size gear selected. When you put in a larger gear set, you get more surface area, more pump movement, and you get more fluid coming out of the pump. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in an inch 500 pressure section pump, please contact us. Head over to moroso.com or comment below.